Assalamu alaikum, I hope you guys doing well. Halal Chef is back with another video, and this time I'm making brunch that's gonna have French brioche bread in buttery cinnamon. I'm gonna serve it with seasonal berries, ice cream and a touch of golden syrup. It's gonna be amazing. Let's get started. Alright, so first of all, a good amount of butter in there, nice and easy. There you go. Let that melt. And then I'm going to add a teaspoon of cinnamon and give it a mix here. Look at that, beautiful. Now what we're gonna do is add our beautiful brioche bread in there. Just gonna soak it in there. I'm gonna cook this until it's nice and light brown. We can turn this now. Look at that, beautiful, amazing. Just let that cook for another few seconds. We move the bread onto a plate here. There's a beautiful color on there. Looks amazing. Look at that. So grab a plate like this one. You know the bread we made. We're just gonna add in there. Look at that. Amazing. I've got here some of the berries that I'm just gonna add in there. So there you go. Beautiful. Look at that. Some of the strawberries. You know. I guess some icing sugar on the top. Nice and easy. Just go around a little bit. Grab some of the ice cream. I'm just gonna add it here. And on that we're gonna add some syrup. Alright, look at that. Alright, finally I've got here some baby mint. It gives that sense of freshness, you know. Look at that. Amazing. Alright guys, I'm gonna try this. Look at it. Looks delicious. Bismillah. Wow. So delicious. The brioche with berries and ice cream. Oh. A beautiful brunch. It's gonna wake you up. Make for your mom, make for your dad, make for your family. Enjoy it. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like. Inshallah, see you next time. Until then, Assalamu alaikum rahmatullah. Take care, enjoy my videos. Any suggestions, please leave them down below. Salam.